And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
They're hard to date back to remember when there was a hurricane season that wasn't predicted to be heavy on the storms, because we have it almost every year. But almost like Mother Nature knows, the calendar says June 1st, happy hurricane season. There's one developing near the Yucatan Peninsula. I circled it here. This is an area of concern the National Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on. We already had Hurricane Agatha develop in the Eastern Pacific, but we go by the Atlantic Basin names. We don't go by Eastern Pacific. So this would be the first name system. It has a very high likelihood of becoming named and eventually bringing some rain to areas in Florida. There's another area of concern off eastern Florida, has a very low chance of becoming named. And here are the official 2022 names for hurricane season. Alex would be the first one, then comes Bonnie, and then you cycle down. Names that will give us trouble will be not Gaston, but Gaston, and then not Hermine, but Hermine. And if we make it to T, it's not Tobias, it's Tobias, which is a bit interesting. If these names sound familiar, they're recycled. 6 years ago, we used them. And unless the storm causes considerable damage or fatalities, it doesn't get retired. It gets used again down the road. We've had a Gaston move very closely to our area. I think it was in 2016, 17, if I'm doing my math right, and it brought some big surge here, but no direct hit. No tropical features outside right now. Certainly doesn't even feel tropical. Temperatures in the 60s. I was on air yesterday at this time, and there were some areas still near 90 degrees. What a difference 24 hours makes. So here comes some rainfall, swinging through the area. The steadiest of rain has been to the east. We've had just some light showers. I went outside and recorded video for social media, and I had a few sprinkles hit me. But off to the north and west, that's a little bit more intimidating in terms of showers and storms, but a lot of this will weaken before it gets here, but still pack a punch with some light showers for us sometime after about 9 p.m. If you hear a rumble of thunder, it'll be the exception rather than the rule, and most of the rain will shut down right around midnight. We could use any rain we could get. It's been pretty dry. This is not going to solve the problem, but it's something. Temperatures will fall back into the 50s during the overnight and kind of cool. Tomorrow, I put some sun, trying to be positive, but there's lots of clouds to fight through. Not quite as cool, though. Temperatures 60s coast, 70s inland, and overall no rain, so not the brightest day, but not a washout, a day you could actually get outside and do a little walk. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s for southeastern Mass. Lots of clouds for you with limited sunshine, but not quite done with the rain before we get to the weekend. We know we have to get through some more rain tonight. Here it is at 10 p.m. just off to our north and west. It will swing southeast and kind of break up a bit, but some showers for the area, and again, some much needed rain for those that get it. By morning, a lot of cloud cover. Any kind of sprinkles or showers will be mainly south of the area, and then it's just a fight for sunshine. I do think there'll be a little bit at times, but a lot of clouds, and that'll make it feel a little cooler than the actual air temperature, which will be around 70 degrees. But one more round of rain before we get to the weekend. Here it comes. This is Friday, 1 a.m., so this is Thursday night into Friday morning. Rainfall surging from the southwest. Some of this rainfall could actually pack a punch with some heavy rainfall that will impact your Friday morning commute. So maybe allow yourself a little extra time to get from point A to point B early on Friday, and then that rainfall will exit stage right swiftly, and by Friday afternoon, we are drying out and clearing out, which means the weekend looks nice. 70s and sunny. Saturday and Sunday looking good. Let's take it right into Monday, too, some 70s, and then we'll track some rainfall. Right now, it looks like more like Tuesday night of next week, but nonetheless, I kept the rain icon for both days. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. Still to come after.